Hey buddy, what are we gonna cook today?
Butter chicken.
Butter chicken. Well, here's the start of some of our spices that are gonna go in it. Now, I am not a professional here. I don't know what I'm doing, but Gina did prep this up. What do we got here?
Onion and some red pepper
Mm-hmm.
and some mint sticks.
Mint sticks.
Cinnamon sticks?
Those are cinnamon sticks right there.
Yeah, some
And some salt.
Yep, that's
And then we got this one over here. It's got some stuff. And this one, peppercorns and some stuff. And that one, some more stuff. And yeah, and the ghee.
I love ghee.
He loves the ghee.
On popcorn too.
On pop.
On pop, yeah, it is definitely good on popcorn. Okay, well, let's get to it.
We're just giving the onion a rough chop,
Yeah,
and then
and then putting ghee.
my master chef over here.
Master Chef Seth
Yep. I'm obsessed with ghee.
You're obsessed with it, I know.
loves the ghee.
How about you stop playing with the ghee, and why don't you add your
Okay,
onion
let's
into
do it.
there?
Put it in there,
All of them?
all of them.
Let's put that one in.
Beautiful.
Very nice. Then you're gonna add in your garlic.
Okay,
Which garlic?
Mom's got the garlic there.
For you.
Okay. Bye-bye, garlic.
Bye-bye,
Oh.
garlic.
Still some more.
Yeah.
Right. All of this ginger is going to go in here. All these kind of Minecraft shape cubes.
They are kind of.
Alright, there's
Okay.
that's ginger.
Now what do we got?
These
Red
are
pepper.
the Thai chilies, yeah. I just
Thai chilies, that's the spicy part.
yeah.
So maybe Seth shouldn't touch those, because if he touches his eyes, ouch.
Ouchies.
Yeah,
that's
so
right.
we'll let Mom put those ones in, okay?
Yeah,
I
I
like to
know.
roll them a little bit to get the seeds out, because supposedly it takes some of the spiciness away if you don't have that in. So you just roll them between your
Oh,
fingers.
don't
Yeah, we
you-
gotta put some of those in.
Some, there's
Yeah.
some for sure.
We had to put the spicy bits in, right?
That's right.
You bet.
Spicy bits for the win, buddy.
You always have put peppers. We're also spicy. They won't taste like butter chicken.
Yeah, it's gotta be.
That's why we had to put spicy in it. Hi, Dad.
Hey,
Now what do we got?
we are gonna put all that stuff, well, all the stuff you put in the food processor, we're gonna mix it up now. Here we go.
Alright.
We're gonna puree this. I think that'll do the trick.
Alright.
Next step, coming your way.
Alright, and I turn it off.
So then everything that the boys chopped nicely for us in the food processor, we're gonna put that aside and save that for once we get everything on the stove. And now we can move on to our spice blends.
Spice blends.
Spice blends. So, we don't add some spices in to this mixture. Has a sharp blade, I'm careful.
Yeah.
This is where you don't put the lid on. Don't look like that. But first they add the spices we have here.
Right, so there's two sets of spices. We have set number 1, which
Yeah.
is our turmeric, which is already ground. And then all of these ones here. And that's for set number 2. This one's gonna go into the,
Alright, get ready.
oh, there they go.
3, 2, 1.
All right, great. Can you put the lid on and give that a zhuzh? All right, awesome. Then we'll just get that all out of there and we'll put it back in our dish. I keep a brush that I only use for my kitchen so that any of the spices that try to escape, I kind of save them with the brush because we want all the flavor, huh?
Yeah,
That
flavor.
looks pretty good.
Pretty good and mixed up. All right, so we just tip that into our bowl. We'll save that for our steps on the stove.
Yeah. We don't do the stove over there.
How does it smell, Seth?
Let me see. Ooh, Dad, you had to smell that one. This clip is done.
Whoa, that's strong. I can smell it from here.
All right, let's wash up from this step and we'll move on.
So now what's the step, Dad?
We're gonna puree the tomatoes. These are Roma?
Roma tomatoes. Yeah, they just came out of a little bath to freshen them up. And I can take that and toss some of them in. Whoop!
Yeah, those tomatoes in.
Look at those tomatoes. And then once he gets it about 1/4 of the way full, he's gonna blend those and then we'll set them aside for our steps on the stove. Yeah, I don't trust you. You think Dad's gonna spill them all?
You won't buy it? Never.
Oh, no.
Never.
Master Chef
Yeah.
of Craft Dinner.
Crafting, yeah, true. Actually, your craft dinner's pretty good.
Okay, just to make sure.
All right, close it up and give it a zhoo.
Alright, here we go. We're going to do some here. Alright, are you ready for this?
Yep.
Are you ready for this?
Yep. This will be nice, frisky.
Okay, now we'll add some more in there. And these are
Right.
quite ripe tomatoes too. You can smell it. That's good.
I hope I can smell from here too because I love smelling textures.
Smelling textures, that's impressive.
So, yeah. You smell some textures here. Oh yeah, let me smell this texture.
Reminds me
Oh,
of
yeah,
corduroy.
That's a very coarse texture smell. Velvety. It's a velvety smell.
Yeah, velvety.
You're silly goose.
Don't worry, we'll be playing this video at your wedding.
Yep.
What?
Okay, buddy, here we go. That's all of them in there.
Alright, get
Let's give her a
ready.
go.
Everybody,
Check out Dad's.
always cook with love.
Always cook with love.
I know
I think it
it's
looks good. What's the
Alright.
next step now, buddy? It's Seth's favorite ingredient time now. What are we gonna put now?
ghee.
Ghee.
Alright, it's ghee time.
Oh, I don't remember. What did it say? How much ghee do we need?
Lots.
Lots?
Lots.
You guys always say lots. 3 to 4 tablespoons.
No, last time it wasn't enough. Let's put more in.
Well, I
Yep.
don't think I put 3 to 4 tablespoons in last time. I think I was shy.
Yeah, you're shy, so let's go.
This,
Lots of ghee.
yeah, this,
It's
Just
butter
chuck
chicken and
all
that's the
that
butter,
ghee.
so you need lots of butter.
yeah, you had chuck all like ghee.
Chuck all that ghee in.
That's where all the flavor is, you know?
Yeah, level.
The flavor.
Level.
Say chowder. Shout out.
Hey, what the hell is this?
It's a bowl of chowder, sir.
Wait a minute, come here. What did you call it? Say it loud enough so everyone can hear. Come on, say it.
Chowder.
Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! Chowder! Chowder! It's chowder! Say it right!
Chowder.
Ah ha ha! Ah ha ha ha! Ah! Come back here! I'm not through to meaning you!
Alright, does that look good?
Yeah, actually, wait, let me see that.
A little bit more for good measure.
Yeah, that's a good scoop, Mom.
Oh,
Alright.
Make that butter chicken go tasting good.
so we are going to add this to the bottom of our heavy bottomed stock pot.
This bad boy right here.
Oh, that's the bad boy there. We're going
Yep.
to put it on medium high. Once it's on medium high and ready to temper our spices. So we'll let that warm up.
Alright, so now what's the step, Dad?
Now we put our 2 spices here in, and we're gonna cook it in the ghee.
Oh,
Okay, we gotta be quick here.
that'd be
Okay, and then
key.
you gotta stir continuously and make sure
Yeah,
it
that looks
doesn't burn.
good.
So this is cooking the spices.
Yeah, it looks good.
So we get this to almost like a paste like. So we're gonna stir this into what consistency again?
Oh, this one is just basically cooking the raw flavors out of the spices. And once the turmeric is like nice and golden, looking good, then we can add in the minced garlic, onions, ginger, and chilies.
It's important not to stop stirring. You gotta keep stirring the whole time.
The whole ghee time.
The whole ghee time.
Yeah, hoagie.
Hoagie.
The whole ghee time.
Hoagie.
Oh,
Instead of getting a little
Bobby.
smoky. Should we add it?
Yep.
Okay.
Did that baby
Thickening up
fast?
pretty quick.
Did that baby fast, and then that would be really tasty.
Basically just want the onions to cook enough that they would be clear.
If you want to make this recipe, just ask Google, and you can make butter chicken no problem.
Ask Google, you mean?
Yeah, type how to make butter chicken.
Sounded like you said Gouda Girl. I'm like, who's Gouda Girl? She's a cheesy girl? Gouda? The Gouda Girl?
No, Google.
Oh, Google, not Gouda Girl. Okay, just have to confirm that. Hey, Gouda Girl, how do I make butter chicken? Wait, here comes the tomatoes that we pureed going in.
Ooh, look at that.
Hey, careful, don't want to get any tomato splashes on your wonderful
Don't let the
pan.
color throw you off. The color comes later.
There we go.
It's like a bright pink right now, but that's okay.
For it to bubble a little, and then we turn it down to low and leave it for 20 to 25 minutes.
So hi everybody, here's the next step. It's been simmering for 25 minutes. Now I'm going to add the cool spices.
Very nice. All right.
So,
Okay, put them in, bud.
put it in.
Oh my
Fiddle
goodness. Okay, well, just give me a second here. Let's add that one in now.
Alright, so let's
Yep.
do it.
Perfect. Now right in the middle. There we go.
Alright,
Much better that time.
much better.
We salvaged it.
Alright, a little bit closer, look at it.
Now we add the
Go a little bit
chicken.
closer.
We're good.
Oh, that is not going to come out.
Lots of chicken.
Lots of chicken indeed.
Yeah, you gotta have lots of chicken. Good chicken.
Yeah, always lots of chicken. It makes it sweet.
There we go. Now how long are we getting? We're gonna let this cook for 40 to 60 minutes.
Yep.
Depending on the size of the Julienne chicken and if it was frozen or not. So
Here we go.
catch you in an hour. Alright, we've been simmering now for 45 minutes. So it's time to take it off the stove or move it to a cold plate stove.
Ooh.
And now you let it sit for an hour?
Yep, an hour.
About an hour. Maybe an
Yep.
hour and a half. Give it. Let it cool
Yep.
right down. And that's it. Okay, well, we let it rest for 1 hour. So it is good to fold the cream in now. But first we must remove the cinnamon sticks. Because, yeah, you don't want to be eating those. That would be kind of gross. So we just got 2 little guys in there. Not much. So we'll remove those. And then we'll get Mom over here to pour the cream in. It's nice to do it with 2 people. Because as you watch here, I'll fold it in as she pours it nice and slow. So you want to just fold it like this. Basically go from the bottom to the top. And it has to be cool. You don't want it to be hot or it'll curdle and it'll wreck your whole butter chicken. And in this process you'll see it actually have the correct color.
We also left the cream out on the counter while the butter chicken cooled, just so that the cream could come a little bit closer to room temperature. So once we get this all folded in, we'll just put the heat back on to warm it back up and serve.
Alright, we're all done. Dish is served. Here's Mr. Seth's portion. Looks mighty fine. Alright,
Yeah.
buddy, you are our taste tester. Give it a shot and let's see how it goes.
Well, okay, first I'm going to dip my bread in.
Homemade butter chicken. Nothing better than that, eh?
I give them a 10 out of 10.
Those are pretty quick. Keep eating. Tell me if you really like it or not.
How about the chicken?
It's still a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, eh? Did we nail it?
Yep, nailed it.
Right on.
Well, I'm not waiting. I'm going to dive in.
Alright, well, we're gonna go eat. Catch you on the next one.
Yep.